Data privacy champion ako. Of course, I use strong password and two-step authentication sa aking personal and work-related accounts.
Data privacy champion ako. Of course, I secure data handling.
Good day, ma'am.
Ako nga po ang email ID
Kanino po po?
sa kaibigan ko.
Kung kailangan po namin ng authorization letter po.
Okay.
Data privacy champion ako. Of course, I protect sensitive information through email ID verification.
Data privacy champion kami. Of course, we ensure data privacy by following the RA 10173, also known as Data Privacy Act of 2012. Yay!